once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great.
Here I'm installing a little electric motor made by Bixpy. You just take the cable from the motor and drape it over the kayak and connect it to the battery. Running at full speed, the battery lasts for 4 hours, and at the lowest setting, the battery will last up to 22 hours.
Yeah, whipping along. We're whipping along. Bye. Bye.
Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap. I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks. Listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast. Don't remember life before you, that's facts.
When looking up what a copperhead looks like, this water snake seems to match.
I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
The wind was blowing 21, gusting to 38, coming out of the west-northwest. It was very difficult to steer and motor into the wind. The bow kept veering to the side, and I had to paddle very, very hard to keep the bow into the wind and waves. But when I did put up the sail, I was very pleased with how the sail would just spill the wind in self-reefing.